So question number 3, it is given CP of the article. It is given rupees 500. Gain percentage, that is P percentage, it is given 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage means 25 by 2 percentage. Now it is what will be the selling price? If profit percentage is given, cost price it is given, what is the formula of selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus P percentage divided by 100. Okay, so here we CP is equal to 500 into 100 plus 25 by 2 by 100. Okay, so here 500 into, it is given 100 plus 25 by 2 means 200 plus 25 by 2 into 100. Okay, so here 500 to 2020 it is reduced. So what is 500 into 225 divided by 5? 500 it is reduced. So 5 into 225 by 2. So now you multiply, divided by 2. It will be how much? 2, 5 is 10, 12, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 2 is 4.5. This will be the selling price at the gain of 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage. Okay. Next it is given, it is the selling price we know. So now it is given tax is added. Tax is added. How much tax it is added? 15%. So sell tax. What I informed from the beginning, sell tax is always calculated on the selling price. So sell tax. If the sell tax will be 15%, so how much the customer will pay? If the price is 100 rupees, then customer will pay how much? 100 plus 15, it is 115 rupees. Here is the price is this much, because after keeping his profit, he has, the seller has decided to sell in this price. So if the price is rupees 562.5, then how much customer will pay? Pay is equal to 115 by 100 into 562.5. Okay, so now we have to multiply 115 into 562.5. If you multiply, how much I will show you here. 115 562.5115. Okay, multiply. So it will be 6 6467.5 by 100. By 100 means how much it will be? By 100 means the decimal will move to the left side. So 646.875. So the customer will pay 646.87. We can here round up it as 84 to 87 to 9, or we can write as 646.87, or we can, as the pies are always in 2 digits, so here this one I can round up as it is here 5. What can I write? 646.88. 7 will be rounded up as here 5. So this is the amount what the customer has to pay. 646.88 or 87 also if you write. Got it? Then it is given question number 4. The price of a refrigerator is given 14,900. 12% sell tax is charged. So what is the amount of sell tax? Only it is given what is the amount of sell tax. Okay. So sell tax is calculated on the selling price. So what is the selling price? Selling price is 14,900. So simply you will find here 12% of 14,900. Okay. So what is given? Question number 4. It is given price of a refrigerator is equal to rupees 14,900. Sell tax, it is given 12%. So 12% of rupees 14,900. Now we will find it. So 10% means 12 by 100. So 12 by 100 into 14,900. So what we will get? 00 is cancelled. So 12 into 100, 49. 108, 10 carried, 12 fours are 48, 48 plus 10, 58. Then 5 carried, 12 100, 12 plus 5, 17. This is the tax which has to be included in the consumer's amount what he has to pay. So what is the tax? Tax amount is 1788 rupees, means 1788. Okay, got it? Like that you have to do question number 5 by your own, because it is same as the question number 2. I think it is given a TV set costs 15,660, including of VAT of 8%. So what was the price before the VAT? Okay, so like question number 2, we have to find question number 5. Try it. If not possible, then again I will explain it. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.